Crack your neck a lot? That satisfying pop might not be as harmless as you think. That popping sound happens when tiny gas bubbles inside the fluid of your neck joints suddenly collapse. When you do it over and over, those joints keep stretching, again and again. Over time, the ligaments that hold your neck stable can loosen and nearby nerves may get irritated. Too much cracking can lead to stiffness, pain, and in rare cases, even long-term joint damage. Once in a while is usually fine, but if you feel the urge to crack your neck constantly, your body might be asking for better posture or stretching. So the next time you feel that urge to crack your neck, it might be better if you don't.